Imagine you have a problem where you've created a program to calculate hash values for files, but you notice redundancy in your code. The user can input either SHA-256 or SHA-512, triggering different functions based on their choice. However, you want to streamline your code to eliminate this repetition. The solution to this problem involves consolidating the two separate functions into a single function. By doing this, you can handle both SHA-256 and SHA-512 calculations within one function, based on the user's input. The first step in the solution is to define a function called get_hash, which takes a hash_type parameter. This parameter is used to determine whether to create an SHA-256 or SHA-512 hash object using the hashload module. The function then prompts the user to enter a file name and calculates the hash value based on the specified hash_type. Next, you modify the which_hash function to handle the user input and call the get_hash function accordingly. If the user input is either SHA-256 or SHA-512, the corresponding hash calculation is performed. Otherwise, an error message is displayed before exiting the program. To improve readability and maintainability, an enum class called HashType is introduced. This class defines the hash types as members, allowing for easier comparison and usage within the code. Lastly, the which_hash function takes user input, converts it to a HashType object, and then calls the get_hash function with the appropriate hash type. In case of an invalid input, an error message is displayed before exiting the program. In summary, by combining the hash calculation functions and using an enum class to manage hash types, you can reduce redundancy and improve the efficiency of your program. And remember, programming is all about finding smarter ways to achieve the same results. So, why not give this revamped approach a try in your next project? Happy coding, and remember to like, subscribe, and comment with your thoughts.